Hey there, YouTubers. So now I just did the driver's side. Wow, what a big difference. Kind of wish I would have took a before photo and after, but I didn't. So beg my pardon. What are these little flying bitey little bastards here? Zoom. Oh, there you go. Anyways, nice clean. Even the rendezvous. Rendezvous looks a lot better. Damn, what a big difference. Anyways, oh, some of the other guys were asking, oh, God, you haven't showed the inside of the rendezvous and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, my camera keeps crashing. So that's what happens with my rug. So this is the inside of the rendezvous. Yeah. Don't mind the CD case. Here, we'll turn on the interior lights and whatnot. Yeah, don't mind that. Yeah, that's just to make sure the rear hatch stays closed since I'm having an issue up there, but we're not going to talk about that. But since y'all want to see the inside of it, here she is. Focus. All her glory, nice and cleaned up. Yeah, I do carry a fire extinguisher now. You may laugh, whatever. I'm carrying a fire extinguisher. I don't give a fuck. Here's my gas can, my wide load thing for when I escort mobile homes. So there she be in all her glory. All right, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to ring that notification bell to get updates on new videos and new content coming up. And have a nice day. Look at that beautiful sky. We'll use that as my thumbnail. All right, have a good night.